All right, trade recap from not today, but Thursday. So Thursday I took one trade. Yeah, Thursday. It's now Monday, but yeah, Thursday I took one trade, which was done one W trade, and the rest of the week I didn't take anything. Um, why? It was because of the news. There wasn't a lot of news, so that means I'm only trading a London session or only New York AM, or it depends on the news. But yeah, also was a London session trading day on Monday, which where I missed two W trades. Really insane. Like I was looking at my chart, looking at how many contracts I should enter. So I was already like fully focused, fully in, like actually trading and looking at this, seeing okay, paper trading, seeing at this, looking at this. Okay, I need to have two contracts. This at that amount of risk. Okay, two contracts. Go here, filled in top sub X. But what happened on Monday is you see this bar coming up. I tried to do it like here to like I know okay two contracts. I want to enter two contracts on top sub X, but this didn't come up. So I was stuck in trading view, couldn't enter, and literally missed my trade with that. And I honestly got pretty mad there. And because I was so mad, I was just on my phone for 50 minutes, which I think is a good thing. Like, I don't want to trade with emotion, but yeah, I was on my phone for 50 minutes or something, just ignoring the market, and I missed another W setup, which is like so unfortunate. But yeah, that's that. Only took one trade on Thursday, which is very, very nice. Like, it could have also been me missing that W trade on Monday too, even, and then getting like a losing trade on Thursday like that would have been even more unfortunate. But I'm really glad that I did take a W trade. Now the account is down $200, which is around break even. It's still in drawdown. It's not at break even at all. It's still in drawdown, but um, it is going all right, I would say. I don't have any crazy emotions with this account, not at all. So that's yeah, that's something I very much like. Like I thought maybe in the challenge accounts, like oh, maybe if I get a funded now, my discipline was very good in the challenge accounts, and I was thinking like oh, if I'm funded, then maybe it will affect my psychology, maybe it will affect my discipline, but it's not at all. Like no issues at all. So that's very good. But yeah, trade recap Thursday. And why do I make this trade recap so late? I wanted to make this trade recap and then also with the weekly review, weekly analysis, like kind of combined. So yeah, let me texting my girlfriend. She was calling. Gonna call her later, back later. But yeah, um, yeah, the trade recap from Thursday. So I remember Thursday, we were very, very, or yeah, we were just bullish, but we were in a very choppy market on Thursday. So let me mark out that here 9:30 and then here 9:30. Okay. So you can see we didn't really went much higher. We were just very, very choppy Thursday, but I was having a bullish bias. Like every higher time frame is saying to me that that the higher time frame bullish bias is all-time highs actually. So look at this also, like where we deliver off of. We just tapped like a 6-month busy or something here, and then now we're just trading higher. So already higher time frames looking for longs, or is looking bullish to me, longs. Also had this 12-hour busy marked out here, which we were holding. And you can see we even took out Thursday's low, so we didn't even form a low on there and then traded higher. Um, but that was like kind of the idea. Like, okay, Thursday, I'm going to see Thursday trade higher and then Friday trade higher as well. Even though we don't even have news on Friday, I wasn't trading on Friday. I was only trading Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. But Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday was only London session trading, and Tuesday, Wednesday I didn't even trade actually because I was working. Sometimes I'm able to work, but sometimes not. Like depends on the appointments I have or the things I have to do, and yeah, yeah. Took one trade in that entire week on Thursday. Two W trades missed on Monday, but that's all good. And then yeah, it was very nice. 347, which is nine. What is it like 947? Yeah. Wow. So yeah, let me go to Thursday here. So that's that red vertical line. It's 9:30. 9:30, yeah. Okay, so I was having a bullish bias. I wanted to see us react of this gap and then trade higher. Draws on liquidity that I had marked out, which that were this high as well. I think these were very clean. Yeah, these were very, very clean. Didn't take these at all, but this was a draw on liquidity. Doesn't mean like this is my first TP or something, but I want to see the market trade towards there. And then 9:30, we were like pushing higher from there, but look at like what range we were in. Like this is on a 50-minute chart. We were just going sideways. We didn't really do anything at all. I still took a long. I'm just following the system. We were also in a Discord live trading call with a lot of people, and I was saying as well, wow, this looks so terrible, but it is my setup. And if you didn't know already, like my setup or my model, my strategy is like 90% mechanical. If it forms, I have to take it always. And yeah, depends on the news, of course, as well. But if it is there, if it forms, if it's in the right context, if it is in the right in the right news, in the right time, and all that, then I have to take it, which was the case here. Even though I said, bro, I don't like this setup at all. I don't even want to take this, but I took it. It's on a funded account, like a bit more. What is it? A bit more. It's a bit. How do I say that? How do I want to say that? It's a bit harder for me to do that, or maybe it sounds like it's harder, but it wasn't at all. Like it was just. I see it form. I know I have to take it, and I will take it. Like I don't hesitate at all. Why not? Because like I have so much data supporting my strategy. I just know that if this doesn't work, then it will work in 2 weeks. Maybe I will blow the account, but eventually, like long term, it will be profitable. But that's just the idea, and just having the confidence from backtesting, seeing it work over and over again. Not 100% of the time, but like long term, I see it work and work again. But yeah, we were just insanely choppy. Where was it? Yeah, right here. So look at this. Like we eventually got this push higher. This is where I took my long, but it's on a 2-minute chart. Look how insanely choppy we were. Yeah, like higher time frame liquidity. Oh yeah, I was also saying, like I thought we were actually gonna go lower today, but my bias as well, almost like 90% mechanical as well. This was at least a draw on liquidity. I think it was here. I have a screenshot somewhere of where I posted that. Yeah, so we were 9:30 right here. I thought at least we were gonna take this high, which yeah, we did there. And even expecting for us to go higher. I think this was Thursday. Wait, I have to check. Where did I send that? Oh, I think I sent it to oh yeah. Oh okay, no, it was here. Yeah. 50-minute. I want to see at least this to get taken. But I thought we were pretty bearish, but I want to see at least this, and then high resistance liquidity is just such a big imbalance, such a big, like we don't just instantly trade through here, even though I did want actually wanted us to wanted to see us do that because I was just very, very bullish hard time frame, but if we didn't get that and still get a W trade, like it's very nice, like with like the scalping, like I don't have to win on the entire move. It could just be a small part of it. But yeah, that was just at least a draw on liquidity, which I took a trade in here. So that was just very nice. Going to the 1 minute. I took it on a 1 minute. Let's zoom in. So my entry formed, as I said, which I didn't like, but I had to take it, which I did. And that was right here. So you can see we have a SIBI here, which we inversed. We also had 10 a.m. news, so I was waiting at least until the news was released, which is... No, wait, what? Oh, no, we had 9:45 news, sorry. We had 9:45 news here, so I was waiting until that got closed. Right there. Or, yeah, news opened. Right, did I? I did, right? Let's see. Let me go back. I think we had 9:45. Yeah, we did at 9:45. We had PMI. It is right here. All right, so right here or no, that's not PMI, but here we closed above 940. After taking out these equal lows, this low, yeah, and yes as well, like these small internal lows, these would still be equal lows considered to me. Which, yeah, it's like, maybe it looks, if you see this for the first time, I can understand that maybe it looks weird or um, not a high probability at all. But yeah, like yeah, I don't really have to prove anything. I know what I'm looking for and this, that. So yeah, but still, 941, this candle here, this is the closure above where we took out the equal lows. So that means that should be my entry. But we did had 9:45 news. So 9:45 news, I was waiting until there. And with news, I have to wait until at least that gets released, yeah. But it did get released, and then what I did, once it did get released, I saw, oh wait, we close above here. I should enter on here. I shouldn't have entered right away. I'm thinking about that now. Like, what I should have done is actually I should have entered on here and then look at how many contracts it would have been and then enter with a stop order. So once we are below it at the moment, but once we trade in it and through it, then you get filled, and then that's where I should have entered. Actually, I see now why I did enter earlier. So actually, did I break my rules then? Yeah, maybe I did, but I didn't even notice. But yeah, I got a better fill at like right here. I think that's like at 1.53 RR. I filled around there, so I got a 0.5 RR more, which is actually then, yeah, shouldn't have been, but yeah, I was starting a 1-1 RR in this case. On the original entry, I should have entered, or I should have targeted a fixed 1-1 R. Like this is the drawn liquidity as I marked, as I showed. But because it's not a minimum 1-1 RR, I target a minimum 1-1 RR, and then that's my first and full TP. Why not target higher? Because on the left we didn't have any sort of liquidity. I'm always starting like stages of accumulation or yeah, but we didn't have that here. So 1-1, this is where the original take profit would have been, but because I got filled around here and it should have been here, I'm still targeting that 1-1, which is then right there, which where I also got filled. So yeah, and I can, yeah, I already showed the trade here, but yeah, entry price 21,177.75, 177.75. All right, just the one tick above, it doesn't matter. So yeah, right there, just a bit below, and then my exit fill, exit price 21,285.75, 21,286. Let's make it that 28. Wait, 28. Oh yeah, 286 right there. So it was around a 1. Oh yeah, this should be one tick higher than, yeah, 1.62 R. So a bit more R than it should have been. But yeah, I would say I'm just realizing that now. So actually got lucky here, which or like with the 0.62 or more, which don't think about that in a moment. Like I'm always thinking a bit like, yeah, you could say a bit more negative. Like it's always like, oh, looking at the trades that I would have won, and yeah, thinking about that too much. But this as well, 0.62 or more, I should think about this as much as losing or winning, well, missing a winning trade. But yeah, I just figured this out now, or found this, yeah, just found this out now. So yeah, that's very nice then. Yeah. Let's see. That was the trade from Thursday, and gonna do a weekly review for this upcoming weekend. So today we had a bank holiday, so today I was not trading. That's also why, like I am making trade recap on this Monday, but we didn't have any trading today because of the bank holiday. So yeah. Oh yeah, the account is now minus $200. I don't know if I said that already. I made a retake of this video because I did something wrong. But yeah, the account is down $200 now. It's not where it should be. Like I think, of course, you want to be in some profit, but I think it's going very well so far. Trading this account for 3 weeks now already. For real, wait, 3 weeks. What am I? Oh no, yeah, kind of like yeah. Started in 2 weeks ago. So yeah, kind of I'm trading this 3 weeks, but yeah, it's going all right. I have no psychology issues, no yeah, no issues at all with trading this account, which I thought maybe in the beginning was a bit scary. Like I thought it was gonna change with like change accounts, and then trading like actual money. Like it's still demo money at the moment, but once I take a payout, of course it's real. But I don't have anything more telling me like, oh, are you sure you're gonna take this? Like I just know once my setup forms, I have to take it, and I will, and it's not affecting my psychology at all. It's not like I'm not gonna take this trade because I don't think it looks good. Like I still just execute right away, no hesitation. Um, so yeah, I think that's going very well. Um, and yeah, let me do the weekly review, weekly analysis video now. So news wise, what do we have this upcoming week? Today we had a bank holiday, so I'm not trading today. Of course, I wasn't trading today. And then Tuesday we have medium impact news, which I am trading then tomorrow. Only AM session though. Wednesday we have high impact follower news, FOMC meeting minutes, nothing too crazy. Thursday we have unemployment claims, prelim GDP. Friday we have high impact news as well. So a good week. Nothing too crazy. So I don't really think we're gonna get that weird of price action. I think we're gonna get honestly pretty clean price action. That's what I'm hoping for. Um, and yeah, like normal, I'm expecting that maybe a Tuesday, Wednesday low of the week. Looking at it now though, where we are from, like here, this low is still Friday's low from last week. And then what do we have now? Monday, yeah, Monday opened here. Look at Monday, like Monday didn't do anything at all. I'm seeing now. Wait, is my time, is that right? Oh, of course, yeah, the market is closed with bank holiday, yeah. I think only the AM session was open or something, yeah. So Monday, of course, Monday low of the week. No, of course, no Monday low of the week. I really think yeah, obviously we're gonna take the liquidity. Not 100% sure, of course, like you never know with the market, but looking at this looks like very clean liquidity to me. So I do think that we want to hold this Friday low, and then from here just trade higher. Okay, Tuesday, how could that look like? Maybe Tuesday, Wednesday low of the week. Looking at the liquidity, looking at the structure now, maybe just trade up higher a bit. Then maybe Tuesday low of the week, taking out all of this liquidity, tapping into this inefficiency, and then going higher from here towards all these highs, and then the next highs from there. I don't even know. I think literally the next highs are all-time highs or something. Yeah, or first these highs. But there's nothing in between for me there. So that's where I think we're honestly gonna trend towards. And yeah, this could also be Tuesday, maybe going a bit higher. Wednesday taking a low of the week. Taking Tuesday's low, Monday's low, and then going higher. But honestly, do think maybe the low of the week wants to form on Tuesday. Just looking at the news we have, like Tuesday doesn't have any crazy news, but just at like still overall, like there's just a higher probability for the low or the high of the week to form on a Tuesday and Wednesday. And then looking at this market structure, this just looks very, very better, bullish. Like the retracement that we had here, tapping into a higher time frame inefficiency, which is on like a 4 hour or something, or like a daily. So yeah, I think that looks very good, and I think that's already my weekly review, weekly analysis video also in this video. Yeah, gonna be trading this week again on the funded, of course, nothing changed. I also have this challenge account, which you can see I didn't take that W trade on the same as I did in my challenge account. The rest of the trades are the same. What happened here, also pretty unfortunate, maybe a compromise with the with the 0.62R, I got more, but what happened Thursday is I took that trade. Normally I'm paper trading, so that's why also you can see these are almost exactly the same, but I am paper trading, or I was paper trading. But on Thursday at the moment, I was in a trade, I was in that long trade, and I wanted to add more contracts to the challenge account. So I deleted the challenge account from the 50K Express copy trading. I deleted it from there. But what happened is it closed my trade on the challenge account, which is so stupid, but you have to find out one way, and I did it through that way. But yeah, I'm really happy that it wasn't my funded account. Like if it was my funded account that got taken out of the trade, like then I would have been pretty mad as well. But again, maybe lucky there, which yeah. But then I know for next time, and you as well, if you didn't know, if you're copy trading, don't remove an account from the copy trader, because it will close your trade for you. So don't do that. And yeah, that's why I got this small profit. Like I was in profit, but yeah, I didn't get that 400 profit where it should have been. So to close the trade on there, and then I took 2 more trades, which were both losing trades. Like also my model, which were just both losing trades. But I don't care about this challenge account at all. Like it's literally, as you can see, in $200, $250 drawdown. Maybe I'll probably just full board it. But yeah, I will also trade another account simultaneously. So if this one is blown, I'll get another one right away. Like I don't care about the challenges at all anymore. I just want to go for the fundeds again. So risking 1% on an account, that's what I'm trying to do. Like with copy trading as well, I'm risking $300 on a funded, on defunded. And I actually want to risk 500 on this account, but as you can see, $300 profit, starting at 1-to-1, 238, less contract size, but still I'm risking $300 on this account as well, which I want to risk more, but with the copy trading, it's just hard to do, which that's why I wanted to break this account from the copy trader. But yeah, it didn't it didn't work. Don't know what I'm gonna do with the challenge account and the funded. Am I still gonna copy trade them simultaneously? Gonna trade them simultaneously, or why I just trade them separately? I don't know. I will see probably next, or probably this week somewhere. I think I will still copy trade them anyway, but and then yeah, I think I will still do that. And then when I'm having like a W day, and then just end the day after the W, I think I'll just keep trading on the challenge account. Yeah, maybe that's what I'm gonna do. But yeah, I think it was a long video, a lot of yapping again, but 20 minutes, not that crazy. But yeah, upcoming week, trading on the fund again. Yeah, that was it. Thank you for watching, and yeah, wish me good luck. See you guys. Ciao.